I'm Kimberly Sanders Roberts, and you're in the circle with CR Legal Team. In this episode, I'll speak with Mike Russell, the new head men's basketball coach at R.J. Reynolds High School in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and with our own Karonnie Truzy, complex litigation attorney and partner here at CR Legal Team. We'll talk about the power of creating a winning team in sports, at work, and in life. And then we'll play the lightning round to find out some fun facts about what these guys like to do when they're away from their respective courts. Now let's jump in the circle. Welcome, gentlemen. I'm so happy to have you here today. I know this is a very exciting time for you, Coach Russell. So tell me how you feel as you begin this new adventure at R.J. Reynolds.
I can't say I'm feeling one way or another. It varies day to day. I was happy, but there was a certain level of relief there as well. You know, you're on this journey to achieve a goal. It's grueling, it's a lot of hard work, but we finally reached that destination. You just kind of like, finally, we made it. If I had to sum it all up, I would say, you know, I'm matching the excitement around the hire with the anticipation for the season bar for bar. I can't wait to get started.
That's fantastic. I know there is a lot of excitement about your coming. Tell me a little bit about why you became a coach. What inspired you to be with young people and to motivate and inspire them?
If anything, I would say it was my dad. My dad and my two older brothers. They gave me a lot of gems, whether it would be in the house, in the backyard. So you receive those type of gems, it's natural for you to want to give them back. So.
No, that's fantastic. So Karonnie, I know you are a big supporter of R.J. Reynolds. You have a big tie there. Tell me a little bit about the excitement about Coach Russell coming on board.
I will tell you that with the initial hire, the entire process, everyone was on pins and needles about who was going to be brought in, what kind of coach they were going to be, how are they going to get the kids in from the county, other kids in from the state, what excitement are they going to bring back to the program. And then all of a sudden, we get the notice that they've hired Coach Russell, and everybody's ecstatic.
Yes.
It was a great hire. People are still excited about it. You go to the football games, they're excited about it. You go to the volleyball matches, they're excited about it. Everyone's really looking forward to this season.
That's really great. I know we've known each other a while, and so you bring a lot of excitement to the team here at CR Legal Team. And around here, we talk about teamwork a lot and experiencing the power of the team. I know you've been a coach, a mentor to many young people. What does it mean to you to be able to create a team here as part of your work that's able to help your clients during their difficult moments?
One of the things that we look at all the time is how can we best help the client? I'm only one person.
Yeah.
I can only do so much. The fact that we really rely on our paralegals, other attorneys in the firm, our executives who help make decisions for the firm. It is a team that we put together to actually help the client. And we've come to the realization that we're better together than what we are as a single unit. When I was in high school, I'll never forget, one of my coaches said something that was really powerful to me. And he said that there are 5 fingers in the glove. And if ever there is a finger that is exposed, then that finger is exposed to the elements. So 5 fingers working together make the whole hand a better hand. And so that was just something that stuck with me. And I think that here at CR Legal Team, that's one of the things that we really do a great job of, working together to come to aid of our clients.
That's a powerful message. You know, I know both of you, mean so much to so many young people, and it's something that I wonder about in the world that we live in today that was very different than I think when we were growing up, is this social media presence and the pressure that's on these kids. How do you inspire and motivate these young people to achieve their best, to help their teammates achieve their best and support each other and sort of tune out the noise of this world that we live in?
I think tunnel vision is the best vision. The more you kind of steer off and try to address this critic, or you veer off and try to address this rumor, it just makes that path and that journey a little bit further, a little bit tougher. So, but just like you said, it's outside noise, it's outside of our control. I think with my team and even as an individual, you try to control what you can control. Things are gonna happen. People are going to feel certain type of ways, but if we can just focus in on what we're doing as a single unit, block out that noise, I think it helps us out in becoming successful. So hopefully these kids, they have good support systems in place to try to help them navigate through these challenges. So.
Yeah. What do you think, Karonnie?
I don't think that you can really help someone to the point where they're going to accept your message if you don't have a relationship with them.
Right.
And that's the same thing with our clients here.
Right.
I can tell a client all day and give them legal advice, and it may be great advice, but if I don't have a relationship with them, they're not going to listen to me.
Yeah.
One of the things that was such a big deal about hiring Coach Russell to come into RJ Reynolds was the fact that he had so many ties in the community. Now, he won't tell you this, but he's in the gym all the time.
Oh, yeah.
There are camps, there are clinics that he does for the community where he just goes in and just does them because the neighborhoods need them.
Yeah.
And so the fact that there's a face that these folks see that's from the neighborhood that they've seen, throughout growing up, it creates relationship, just like it does with us, with our clients. When they meet us, when they meet our team, when they work with our team, when they get the phone call or they get the birthday card that someone's remembering them, that's the kind of relationship that helps. It not only helps with our clients here, but it also helps with our students, helps with the players on the team, because the more that you can show someone that you care about them, the more they're going to listen to you.
Right. That's really powerful. Thank you. Thank you both. I want to have a little fun here, and we have a basketball today to celebrate. And by the way, CR Legal Team's big supporters. We're going to be cheering for the Demons this year, so we hope you do well and go all the way. Karonnie, best basketball player of all time.
Has to be Michael Jordan. He accomplished so many things in a restricted league, in that he was getting, the fouls weren't being called, the games were played, come as you are,
right.
And he accomplished those goals while playing in that type of league.
Agreed. Good one. All right, Coach Russell.
I'm gonna go with LeBron James.
Okay,
just like you mentioned, just growing up with all the distractions, the expectations he had to kind of persevere through and live up to those expectations. That was something that we've never seen before, and I don't know if we'll ever see again. So I'll go with LeBron James, absolutely.
And what a leader on the Olympic team, too.
Absolutely.
Wow, that was an exciting moment. So I got to go with Michael Jordan, big Tar Heel fan, and be like Mike. Man, I wish KSR Productions had written that jingle. I just wish we had. So, okay, favorite food?
Favorite food. So my favorite food, I'm a big barbecue fan, so my favorite food has to be ribs.
Good job. I think probably your ribs are some of my favorite food too. Okay, Coach Russell.
I'm going pasta.
Okay.
Any type pasta, Alfredo, spaghetti, that's my go-to. So love me some pasta.
Sounds good. I'm going with anything my husband cooks because he is fantastic. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here with us today. I truly appreciate you. We're going to be cheering for the Demons, and we'll stay in touch with you throughout the season. Wish you all the best in this new adventure. Karonnie, we appreciate you as always. Thank you. And thank you for being with us for In the Circle. Be sure to join us next time in Wilmington, North Carolina, as we talk about ways that CR Legal Team is pouring into health, wellness, and safety initiatives in the communities we serve and beyond. And we're doing it in a really cool way. Until then, remember, you can circle up, circle around, or circle back, but definitely circle CR. In the Circle with CR Legal Team is a production of CR Legal Team, LLP, and KSR Productions, LLC, with music created and provided by KSR Productions and Keith Bird Entertainment. Special thanks to the Roberts Center for Leadership, Education, Advancement, and Development, to the CR Family Foundation, and to the Little Red Jumpsuit Tour and Foundation for Women. There are lots of great teams, but there's only one CR Legal Team. Visit crlegalteam.com for more information about our people and our programs. Play us out, Keith.